Welcome back to Edu Skills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. So, good evening.
Good evening.
That's great. Let's highlight now. What is the principle when there is a name?
Just go to
Go to the name. Go to the name, right? Just search for the name in the paragraph. It can be an organization, a person, or a device, whatever. Whenever a name happens, you see in the heading word or the keyword of the question, you have to immediately go into that portion of the text.
Yes, Father.
Whenever there are opinion questions or controversial questions, agreement, disagreement, just ignore all other opinions. Okay, only that person's opinion you have to look into. And usually, normally, there could be exceptions. If there are the name is repeated, the latest name will have the answer, direct answer. Second option, if there are two names, with the second option, there will be the answer. Let's see here. This is one question. Okay. Now you see.
Take one from reading part C. Same, you have reading and listening, almost same skills. Only thing in the reading subtest, you read and find out the answers. In listening, you listen to the audio and find out the answers. 7, the first one. Okay. Let's listen to this one.
Question number 7. In the first paragraph, the writer uses Cauter words to option A, explain the main causes of sleep deprivation. Option B, reinforce a view about the impact of sleep deprivation. Option C, question some research findings about sleep deprivation. Option D, describe the challenges involved in sleep deprivation research.
Okay. Yeah. Cauters, the name is also important. So please read this small paragraph, the first paragraph.
Millions of people who suffer sleep problem also suffer myriad health burdens. In addition to emotional distress and cognitive impairments, these can include high blood pressure, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. In the studies we have done, almost every variable we measured was affected. There is not a system in the body that's not affected by sleep, says University of Chicago sleep research Cauter. Every time we sleep deprive ourselves, things go wrong.
Now there is name here, right? If there is name is there, the answer should be there, right? And there is not a system in the body that's not affected by sleep. Says University of Chicago sleep researcher is not required.
Right.
Surgeon compliments. Okay. So every time there is not a system in the body that's not affected by sleep. Who said? Cauter. He said, means every system is affected. Does it speak about cause or effect or challenges or findings?
Effect.
There is not a system. Yeah, impact, effect, right? Impact. There is not a system in the body that is not affected by COVID-19. Means that is the impact of COVID-19 or the effect of COVID-19. With that very concept, what do you understand? What could be the answer?
B.
Yes.
It's reinforce a view about the impact of sleep deprivation.
Yes, yeah, definitely. See how beautifully you can easily identify the things.